This is the side that goes in the bathroom. This is the side that would go in either the bedroom, the hallway, or whatever. And in order to pull this, you push that. But if this is on the wrong side, so what you have to do, you have to take and reverse these two pieces. And the way you do that, because you can't just turn it over, because what happens is the thing stays open all the time. So you got to reverse them. And then you have to make sure this lever goes onto that pin right there. Put that on there. That goes on the outside of that. Get your screw. Okay. Turn it over. Get this one. Get that pin. Put it on there. It's really doesn't take that long to reverse them. The one thing you got to look out for though is to make sure that that pin is in both of these latches. Okay, and then it's ready. Once you get your hole cut in your door, then it's just a matter of sliding it on the right way. Just make sure that this goes to the inside of the bathroom, or the bedroom, whatever you're doing. And that will take care of that. Alrighty, well I sure hope this helps.